Thanks for coming. This thing's been buried here since 2006, and we haven't had any issues before. But lately, people have been reporting seeing it all over town. It's this one over here.
This brand isn't dead. It's only mostly dead.
Hey guys, today we're looking at this Vaco 7-in-1 Nutdriver set. Now for those not familiar with Vaco, Vaco was the first company to make a cushion grip screwdriver. They got bought out by Klein in 1986, and Klein then put their name on the cushion grip screwdrivers. I had always assumed that they had killed off the Vaco brand, but apparently not. They're back, and they have a ton of products. So when I saw this tool on Amazon, I went ahead and ordered it. Let's get this thing out of here. This appears to be a clone of the Klein 7-in-1 Nutdriver, which makes sense because Vaco is owned by Klein. Obviously the handle is a different shape. The sockets look slightly different, where the Klein has a color-coded band, but the Vaco has larger printing for the size. Here it is out of the box. The handle is a two-part material, so the yellow part is a hard plastic and the black part is rubber. To install the bits, you pull back on this collar and then insert the bit shaft. Pull back on the collar again to remove it. This comes with 3 flip sockets. The 1/4-inch one doubles as a screwdriver bit holder. There's a magnet inside. Now when you first put the bit in, it doesn't seem like it's going to hold very well. You have to push the socket out slightly. There's a stop to hold it in place. And now the bit is held in securely. The socket that's on the tip you can pull out from the front. Here you can see the magnetic tip. The other 2 sockets do not pull off from the front. You have to pull them off from the back side. Mine were a little bit tight at first, but after removing and installing them a few times, they slide on and off smoothly now. The magnetic tip seems to do a pretty good job at holding screws. Here's a 5/16" grounding screw. It sticks in there pretty nicely, and it doesn't fall off when I shake it. Can't ask for much more there. Let's try it out on a larger size. I'll remove these sockets and install the 1/2-inch one, which is the largest one it comes with. Then we'll put the bolt in and we'll shake it. Yeah, I know. Well, he's not shaking it hard enough. Look, it's not falling off. It's good enough for me. So far, I like the tool. The one negative is that there's no bit storage in the handle. It'd be nice to be able to put some screwdriver bits in there. I think I'm going to put this in the toolbox on my tractor. I don't have a socket set in there, so this should fill that role. Now when I got mine, it was only $18. That might have been one of them Black Friday Boondaroo deals or something, because they're up to $22 now. Compared to $29 for the Klein, you can still save a few bucks by buying the Vaco. Now if you're nostalgic for Vaco, I wouldn't get too excited. There's no Vaco factory that reopened. These are all being made overseas somewhere. The Vaco brand pretty much exists in name only now. Still, it's nice to know that Klein didn't kill them off completely. It looks like they're positioning them to be like a budget alternative to Klein. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to stay tuned to my channel for new videos. See you later. Bye.